I'm gonna show you how to drain the water here in your dishwasher. I woke up one morning and my dishwasher was filled with water. So I had to find out what was clogging it up. But here go how you drain the water. First, you hit the start button. Once you hit the start button, hit it again and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. So you push it in and you hold it for about 3 seconds and you'll hear the water start draining. You saw that light go off and you see the water was draining. And I actually had something stopped up in this part right here. So I cleared it out and I had to drain it. So you may have to cycle through this a few times to get all the water out. So you hit the start and then you hold it for about 3 seconds till that light go out and the water will start draining. I had to figure this out because I was trying to dip the water out with a cup and something, and it took a long time. But this is how you drain it. So like I said, you may have to do it 3-4 times to get all the water out. You just push it to start and then hold it for like 3 seconds. It'll start draining. And what I did once I got it drained, I looked in there. I had some glass and a lot of other stuff in there. And also this filter. You just turn it counterclockwise and look at this filter. I would recommend cleaning this thing maybe once a month or once every 2 or 3 months. I probably hadn't cleaned this in, oh my God, I don't know. The only reason I'm cleaning it now is because I had problems with it. So it's easy to clean, and I'm gonna take this part off right here. You just unscrew these little 2 tabs and pull it out. And I'm pulling those out to look inside to make sure it's nothing else inside. Like I said, I found chicken bones, glass, and everything in this dishwasher. So it's good to do your maintenance on it. You won't have as much problems as I had on mine. So if you just do maintenance, it's like a car, change the oil every 3 months. You want to do maintenance on your stuff at your house. It'll help you in the long run. But I'm going to show you how I clean my filter. And you can buy another filter for standby, but they're really easy to clean. So I'm going to take this filter outside, and you can see right here it's a mess. And what I'm going to do, you can just spray it right like this. Just hold it in your hand and spray it. But I got this little stand that came off my George Foreman grill. I just put it on it and just sprayed it. And while I was spraying it, you see how it's turning at the same time and it's cleaning itself. So that's how you drain your dishwasher. So you just push to start and then hold it for 3 seconds and it'll start draining. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.